Hello team, good morning to everyone. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the remaining part of the collections. In the last session we have discussed about how to create the collections and how to use the membership rules. And in this session we will discuss about the remaining things, whatever left we will discuss in that. And in the last session I hope you people understand that how we are going to use the membership rules, as well as what is the how to exclude or include, and what does it mean by reference collections, all these. Okay, and today we will see the remaining part, that whatever left. I will try to make it more simple, because if we touch one topic it might take so long time. I do understand that, but so I don't want to keep you people in bored mode, so I'll try to reduce the timeline. Okay, let's quickly jump into the properties. Last time we have discussed about all the membership rules and what is the use of incremental updates and schedulable updates collections. Okay, just to revise for more time, that I would like to discuss about this one specially. Use incremental updates and schedule full update. This will be useful for when you are using the collection using query rules. Okay, not for other. When you are using query rules, that means the query will keep run and it will get the DDRs, discovery data records from the Active Directory, and it will keep try to update the collection. So that is the reason how you are going to update your collection is very important thing. That either you can use this or you can set a schedule. If you use incremental updates, it will keep update for every 15 minutes in general. So this will increase your load on your SCM. So when unless it is that collection is not that much importance, please do not use this. Okay, so we prefer always a schedule. If you really feel that the collection is important, try to set it for one day. If it is more important than that, then yeah, as there is no other option, you can use incremental updates. That is not a problem. Okay, so this is major important thing, and we have discussed about which inbox we need to check. Again I will show you one more time. Go to your installation and go to your programmables, subscription manager. Where is inbox? Okay, inbox, collection file inbox. Yeah, here it will create a UDC file with your collection number, collection ID. You can see the collection ID here. Using this collection ID, it will create one UDC file. Okay, if you feel that the collection is stuck, then you can manually create the way using with the collection number and change the extension file like this. For example, what is the collection number here? Copying. Please do not try in your production. These are the tricks that whenever you really face issues in your environment, you can do this one. Okay, UDC, that's all. So it's gone. So that means again it will trigger, it will try to update the it will create a job and it will trigger to update this client machine. You can see from the logs as well. Go to inbox, go to logs, collection file.log. Just now we have triggered, so we need to check. See, deleting file from inbox, UDC for completed processing. Okay, so whatever we have created UDC file in your inbox, it is deleted to complete the processing. That's all. So that is that is the main meaning, there is a main utilization that about your inboxes. Inboxes means it's simple, it's like processing your data, that's all. Okay, this is very important. Okay, actually I have discussed the same thing in last previous video also, but I just want to revise it one more time, that's all. And come to the power management. Personally I won't recommend you to set this power management settings, because I never see the good result from this. But if you really want to set the power management, that means you can apply these power management settings to your collection, whatever the machines are included in that collection. This is also you can specify no power management settings, or you can specify at what time you want the power management, all this. And then you can see what are the deployments so far, what are the deployed application or packages or task sequence, whatever, or any advertisements you can see from here for specific to this collection. And come to the maintenance mode. Maintenance windows is very important concept again. Click on here. Especially this maintenance window you can use for three purposes, which is for all deployments, or maybe you can restrict to task sequence, or maybe you can again restrict to your software updates. Most probably actually we will get irritation like out of this SCM as a normal user of your desktop, if always it is poking that okay, we would like to restart your machine while we are really busy. If you are keep trying to get the message from the machine that I would like to restart your machine, I'd like to restart your machine, then really it will be irritated, right? So it is always better to maintain the maintenance window out of office hours. So these schedules will apply to three concepts, which is again all deployments, software updates, task sequence. Okay, so my preference, when you go to the software updates, please maintain a maintenance window out of office hours. Okay, and all deployments also, because all deployments and if you are trying to set all deployments, then I don't think that you need to separate maintain software updates. No point, because try to just make sure that you are not overlapping the same settings for the two different tasks. So try to make sure that you are not applying same settings or overlapping concepts on two different concepts. That is very important, because you can create let's say all deployment, you can create another one also. See, I have created all deployments for all deployments, and also I can create software for software updates. I can create one more updates, so I didn't change any time. Okay, so this is nothing but overlapping, right? See, these are the same settings that I have set, but what is the point, right? So that's the reason you can untick this one, or you can completely remove this one. Okay, so make sure that you are not setting anything wrong here in maintenance window. So it is always better to check here also. Okay, this is another important concept. And come to the collection variables. Yeah, collection variables is really important topic that we can discuss in while we are discussing about the task sequence, because whatever the variables you are adjusting, you are setting here, those variables or those information will be processed while the task sequence is running. These variables may be built-in variables are there, or custom variables are there. Okay, I just already kept ready for you guys. You can see the types of variables, okay, how to use this task sequence. All this is available in our Microsoft documents. Of course, I can tell you one more honest thing, that we are not saying anything new. Everything is already perfectly documented in Microsoft. We are just like a bridge that from Microsoft document to you guys. Just we are trying our level best to make you understand better. That's all. Everything is perfectly documented in Microsoft documentation. Okay, this we will discuss about Vanta sequence meta comes. This is all about collections. And if you go to discovery methods, yeah, I would like to show you one more thing. Let's go to user collections. Okay, so this is exactly the same like device collections. There is nothing much new. Let's create one. Okay, for example, I want to get the people in the collection, because users means so many people will be there, right? So many employees are there. So I want to get the employees, those who are working from Hyderabad. So let me check Hyderabad users. Let me create like this. Okay, browse all user and groups, click OK, next. Okay, here add rule and query rule, added query rule. This one we have already discussed how to do this one, right? So I'm just being quick fast. Click select. Okay, user resource. If you see here, okay, here you can check which one we need to settle and how you are receiving these attributes here. If you are missing any attribute, from this, how to add this one, how to get the new one, then you need to go like this. Right, click cancel. Okay, go to administration, go to discovery methods. Let me add one more new attribute, active directory. Okay, let me check telephone number. Yeah, telephone number, add. And also office, physical delivery office name, click add. Okay, so now I have added two different attributes. Click apply, click OK. Just run this one, run full. Okay, so what I did was, let me show you this one also. I'm going to do my DC. My God, no, for now, no. See here. Okay, here I get the information about office. Okay, this is from Mumbai, and telephone number. I don't know what is the telephone number. Let me get 787878. Okay, click apply. So I want telephone number also. So how you will get this information in your SCCM console? Means how to add that attributes. That is the reason we added here. Usually normal common properties will be available, but if you still want the new properties, then you can add from here to here. Okay, for now I have added two attributes. I don't want to mess this one, so I just added two attributes. Click OK, and yeah, I already ran this discovery. Good. I hope you know where to check this one, right? If you go to the logs, you can see that AD user discovery.log is available. Now go back to your users. Click user, properties. See, Mumbai. Physical delivery office name Mumbai, and telephone number 7878787878. See, new attributes. This means new attributes we have added. The reason that we added, see, if you remember this telephone number and physical delivery office, we have added in our discovery methods, right? So based on this, simply you can create. Go to user collection, create user collection. Okay. HUID users, either users. Okay, command, click OK, next. Query rules, edit query, criteria, select user resource. Here you can see telephone number. Yeah, telephone number also if you want to use telephone number. Okay, let me physical delivery office name. See, okay, what is the value? If you click value, whatever the values are there in Active Directory, it will fetch the data, it will retrieve the data from there to here. Okay, for now only two places, Mumbai and Hyderabad. Let's click on Hyderabad. Click OK, click OK, click HUID means Hyderabad, the same place name. This is my hometown. Click OK and check this one. I just want to run it, that's the reason I get it. Next, close. That's all. Let's see how many people are there from Hyderabad. Just click refresh. Here one more option is there, which is very well known, which is called update membership. If you click update membership again, it will help us to update the collection. Click yes, yeah, see, 3 people are there who are from Hyderabad. If you click here, okay, so all these users are from Hyderabad. That's how it works. Okay. Sorry for the sounds. My kid, he woke up. Okay, for today this is the main concept that I would like to discuss with you guys. I will try to add more and more content. Please encourage me and do subscribe my channel. I hope I will help you guys to understand better about the SCCM. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.